Shots of the Rivian R1S 2025 driving through scenic landscapes, off-road trails, and urban environments. Welcome to my channel Touch Review. Today, we're diving into the Rivian R1S 2025. This electric SUV is making waves in the automotive industry, offering a blend of luxury, performance, and sustainability. Close-up shots of the R1S's exterior, interior, and technology features. Starting with the exterior, the R1S boasts a sleek, futuristic design that's both aerodynamic and rugged. Its LED lighting and clean lines give it a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Inside, the cabin is spacious and luxurious, with premium materials and ample legroom for all passengers. Shots of the R1S's infotainment system, driver assistance features, and off-road capabilities. The R1S is packed with technology. Its large touchscreen display provides intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist ensure a safe and comfortable driving experience. And for those who crave adventure, the R1S's off-road capabilities are impressive, thanks to its high ground clearance, four-wheel drive system, and off-road modes. Shots of the R1S accelerating, cornering, and towing. Under the hood, the R1S is powered by dual electric motors, delivering instant torque and impressive acceleration. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, making it a thrilling drive. The R1S also offers multiple driving modes to suit different driving conditions, from comfortable cruising to sporty performance. Close-up shots of specific design elements, such as the grille, wheels, and interior accents. One of the R1S's standout design elements is its spacious interior. The second row seats can be configured as individual seats or a bench, while the third row offers comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers. The cargo area is also generous, with plenty of space for luggage or gear. Shots of the R1S charging, driving through scenic landscapes, and being used for outdoor activities. The Rivian R1S offers several unique selling points. Its long range and fast charging capabilities make it a practical choice for daily commuting and long road trips. Its off-road capabilities and rugged design make it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. And its commitment to sustainability aligns with the values of many environmentally conscious consumers. Shots of the R1S driving through a variety of landscapes, ending with a final shot of the car parked in a scenic location. The Rivian R1S is more than just an electric SUV. It's a statement of innovation and sustainability. With its impressive performance, luxurious interior, and advanced technology, it's a compelling choice for those seeking a premium electric vehicle.